How to refund items on Roblox. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up a web browser and go to roblox.com. Then make sure you have logged into your account. You can open the Discord app on your device as well. Now click on this icon right here, which is the Roblox icon. Now click on My Transactions. Once you have clicked on that, here you can find the list of all of your transactions. So now you want to choose and copy the name of the item you want to refund from the list. So this will be helpful while providing the details about the items that you want to refund. Now click on the gear icon, and from here you want to select Help. On the search bar, you want to search for refund and click on the very first option here. This should open up an article called Unauthorized Charges and Refund Requests. Here you want to scroll all the way down and click on Need More Help, Contact Support here. Here you will have to enter your account information like your username, first name, last name, email address. Now for issue details, you can select the device in which you're facing the issue. So click on here and from the drop down, select the device in which you're facing the issue. Now for the category, select Billing and Payments. Then for subcategory, you can select Purchase Unauthorized Charge. Now in the description, you just want to enter the reason why you want to refund the item plus paste the information about the item that you have copied earlier and then click on Submit. Once you do that, Roblox support team will contact you for the further process, and that is how you can refund items on Roblox. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.